Oh my God, Danny, you did it. You fixed the Mickey Mouse puzzle. Oh my God. And what this one? This one is Lion King 48-piece puzzle. And it's 6 plus. Oh my God, Danny, you're good. This is 6 plus. Oh my God, Danny, you are good, man. And let's see this one. That's a Mickey Mouse. Let's see. Oh, Mickey Mouse 48-piece puzzle. Mickey Mouse Friends. Disney Mickey Mouse and Friends 48-piece puzzle. Awesome! Awesome! Danny, you're awesome! Say yes! Oh my God! You are too fast! Give me 5, man. Give me 5. Danny, give me 5, man. Break your finger. It's okay. I'm just kidding.
That's ugly.
Hey, Danny, you like puzzle? Do you like puzzle? Do you like jigsaw puzzle, Danny? Yeah, this is jigsaw puzzle. This is jigsaw puzzle. Good job, Danny. Do it faster.
What's that?
What? What's what? Did you say something, Danny?